Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu says, during the battle of Badr, I was standing in the rank for a while to take rest. I looked to my right and my left to see two Ansari boys of tender age. I wished I had been flanked by two strong men. One of the boys pricked me and said, "O uncle, do you recognize Abu Jahl?" I replied, "Yes, but what do you have to do with him?" "O nephew," the boy replied, "I have come to know that he reviles Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By him in whose possession my soul is, if I see him, my body will not detach from his body until one of us will be seized by death." I was astonished at his talk, and then the other poked me and said the same to me. Immediately thereafter, Abu Jahl was seen going round among the people, and I said, "That's your wanted man about whom you were asking." Then they made a sudden onslaught on him with their swords and struck him till they killed him. Then they both went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and apprised him of this incident. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, "Which of you has killed him?" Each of them said, "I have finished him." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Have you whipped off your bloody swords?" They said, "No." Then examining the swords, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Both of you have killed him, but what was taken from him will go to Muaz bin Amr bin Jamuh." These two boys were Muaz bin Afra and Muaz bin Amr bin Jamuh. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3141.